As the countdown to the PiNetwork's Mainnet launch approaches, users are eager to understand what this means for their investments and how they can prepare for this significant milestone. With the expected launch window set for February or March 2025, it is crucial for users, known as pioneers, to take proactive steps to ensure they are ready for the transition from an enclosed ecosystem to a fully operational open mainnet. Launched in 2019, the PiNetwork has garnered attention as a mobile-based cryptocurrency platform that allows users to mine PI coins directly from their smartphones. This innovative approach has attracted over 18 million users, although only about 9 million have successfully migrated to the mainnet due to ongoing Know Your Customer or KYC verification processes. The mainnet launch is anticipated to enable Pi coins to be traded freely on various exchanges, marking a pivotal shift in the network's functionality and user experience. Access to their mined Pi coins. Stay updated on announcements. With the mainnet launch date approaching, it is vital for users to stay informed about any updates or changes. Following official channels, such as the PiNetwork blog, forums, and social media, will help pioneers keep track of important announcements regarding deadlines, migration processes, and potential issues that may arise. Navigate the migration process together. Prepare for open network integration. For businesses and developers, preparing for the open network means exploring ways to integrate Pi coins into existing operations or applications. Merchants should consider how they can accept Pi as a form of payment, while developers should finalize their projects in anticipation of launching on the new decentralized platform. Of cryptocurrency evolution.